Hi guys, finally time to start my ice cream shop. Let's get ready by putting all the things in order. First the ice cream scoop, then some popsicles, some spoons, cones, cups, and all sorts of different ice cream flavors. Now, let's take the chocolate ice cream. Then put it onto a cone. Now we've made a chocolate ice cream cone. We've also got popsicles too. I've got popsicles too. Now, yummy yum! I love ice cream. Let me have another one. Take the spoon, then get a cone. Now put the chocolate ice cream in the cone, and we've made another chocolate ice cream cone. Yum, another cone. So yummy. All gone. Now I've got $20 and pay for the ice cream I've ate. I want some ice cream, Peppa. Can I have some ice cream? Yeah, Peppa would like some ice cream. Please? I would like the green one and the yellow one. Take a cup for Peppa. And take the lemon flavored ice cream and put it inside the cup. Now, let's take the mystery flavored ice cream and put it into the cup too on top of the lemon flavored ice cream. Yummy! Thank you, Peppa. Thank you. Now time to see the total and pay for the ice cream. It is $25, please. I will pay. I've got a coin over here. 25 cents. Put it into the cash register. Now close up the cash register. Yummy! This ice cream tastes yummy. Mama, you should try it too. Okay, I'm gonna take the mystery flavored ice cream cone. And now, Mommy, come on, try the lemon one. It seems so good. Okay, I'll go try it. This is actually really good, too. Yeah, I know, Mommy. That was delicious. Now let's return the cup. I would like some ice cream, too. I think that pink one over there is strawberry. Peppa, can I please have the strawberry? Of course you can. Take the strawberry flavored ice cream in the scoop and put it inside the ice cream cone. Yum! The strawberry flavored ice cream cone. Now let's see the total. Scan it with the scanner, and it is 25 cents. Let's open it, the cash register, and pay the money. I have 25 cents in my pocket. Let me put it inside the cash register. Yummy, this ice cream is very good. Tastes so good. It's better than the one I eat at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.